In this brief video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create an APA citation once you have an authoritative source to support your post or your paper. I strongly suggest using either Perla software or the free online citation machine to create an APA citation. Perla is software available for purchase online and costs $39. It is the most useful money I believe you will ever spend in your graduate career, as it will dramatically improve your ability to write APA citations and APA compliant papers in any class, because it's going to give you near perfect APA citations, if not perfect ones, for the papers you write. Colleges and universities across the globe and hundreds of thousands of students worldwide use this software, and I used it throughout my entire academic graduate career at St. Leo University. It will dramatically help you improve your grades. Perla is not only a piece of software that can help you improve your citations and your grades and your papers, but it's a powerful tool because every citation you create stays within your own Perla database, so that whenever you need to access that same paper or that same citation, you will have it at your fingertips. No other piece of software at this level is going to give you that tool. If you choose to use Perla software, please know that they have video tutorials available online 24/7. They're excellent, so I'm not going to review them here. They also have live customer support available 14 hours a day, 7 days a week, and that is a big help. Let's look now at how to use the free online citation machine software. This software, found at citationmachine.net, asks you initially to choose the style of the paper you're writing. So in the case of all papers at St. Leo University in the Criminal Justice Program, your style is going to be APA, so you click on APA. The next question the software asks you is, what are you citing to? Is it a book, a magazine, website, a newspaper, film? But almost always it's going to be a journal, a scholarly work published periodically that contains highly specified research. So let's click on Journal. And you basically have a format there to generate APA citations for journal articles. And the way to fill this out is to simply copy and paste from the actual journal article the information being asked for. The title of the article, who the authors are, and if there's more than one author, you have a button there that says add another contributor. It'll ask for the first, middle, and last name. The title of the journal itself, not to be confused with the article's title. The volume and issue or series, what year it was published, and it will also ask you the start and end pages, and what date you accessed this online, and whether or not there's a URL, which there always will be because you're finding it online, or preferably if there is a DOI, to put that in there. Once you have those pieces of information copy and pasted from your article, you can create the citation. You simply click Create Citation and it will give you an APA citation. So let's look at the female juvenile arsonists article that we had pulled up earlier. Remember I told you that almost everything you need to know for creating an APA citation is in the first 1 or 2 pages, and that's exactly what we have here. It's a matter of copying and pasting the information. So in this case, let's copy and paste the article's title. And then we need the author's name, Christine Hickel. I'm just going to copy her last name and remember her first letter. So it's going to be K. Hickel. First is the letter K, then go to the last name, paste in Hickel. And just for simplicity, we're not going to add the second author at this point. What's the title of the journal? It's Legal and Criminological Psychology. So let's copy that. And let's remember it's also from 2010, Volume 15. 2010, Volume 15. Journal title, paste. Volume 10, year published, 2015. Oops, I got that wrong. It's 2010 in which it was published, and Volume 15. So we can correct it. Volume 15. What pages did it start and end at? 385 to 399. What date did I access this? The 6th of January, 2017. And I can either put in the URL of the article or the DOI. You can use either one. And the URL is up here. But I prefer to use DOIs because they're shorter and a little more accurate for searching. So I just copy the DOI. Don't copy the DOI letters, just the number. And click Create Citation. And there you have it. Now, the one thing I will warn you about is these citations are almost always perfect, but sometimes a problem pops up, and one does here. So here's the name and date and the title, but then the words legal and have run in together. So even though everything else is perfect, when you copy this in order to paste it in your paper, please check to make sure that grammatically it is correct. That's what the process looks like, that's what the result looks like, and in just a matter of a minute or two, you can create a near perfect or perfect APA citation.